Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video, I'm going to show you a healthy chutney recipe using Brahmi leaves. It's usually called as Vallarai Keerai in Tamil. This helps in increasing memory power and it has n number of health benefits. This is a very healthy recipe and a very quick one. Definitely kids will also enjoy eating this. Come on, let's get started.
First step is to dry roast grated coconut, and for that I am adding half a cup of grated coconut to a pan. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame and then transfer it to a plate. And now to the same pan I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 3 red chilies. You can adjust this according to your spice level. Fry it for few seconds and then transfer it to a plate. To the same pan I am adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of chana dal, 4 tablespoons of urad dal, and roast it until it leaves a good aroma, and then again transfer it to the same plate. And to the same pan I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and an inch of ginger which I have chopped roughly, and 2 green chilies. It is actually green chilies but it has ripened. Also adding 1/4 cup of chopped small onion and 1 tomato which I have roughly chopped. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame and transfer it to the same plate. And again to the same pan I am adding half a teaspoon of oil. To this I am going to add 2 cups of Brahmi leaves and add salt as required. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then transfer it to the plate along with other ingredients, and now let this cool down completely, after which we can grind it to a coarse paste. And now the chutney is ready. Look at the consistency.
And now you know how simple it is to make this recipe, right? And it is easier to grow this plant at home too. So if you have a terrace garden, you can also plant this so that you can make use of it very often. So you can cook this at least once a week. As I mentioned earlier, it has so many health benefits, and most importantly, it increases the memory power. So definitely give this to your kids. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.